The 77-cent support level for Nexo United States dollar in every practical sense is areas of strength for truly of as opposed to mainstream thinking. Nexo United States dollar exchanges close 56 cents in a sort of significant manner. 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo sort of is floating at $1,580,736, which most certainly is very huge. Nexo especially acquired roughly 0.82% inside the essentially most recent 24 hours in a genuinely large manner. 22 October 2023. In this video we will truly walk you through Nexo cost examination for now or for in every way that really matters 1 week from now and sort of attempt to answer these much of the time in every way that really matters, got clarification on some things, facts. What basically is exceptionally momentary cost expectation for Nexo, generally is Nexo a very wise venture, or so they essentially thought. Nexo support and opposition levels and so on in a fundamentally significant manner. Yet, prior to jumping in every practical sense, profound into the Nexo specialized examination, most certainly allowed us really to discuss the truly current economic situations, which basically is very critical. Market examination over the absolute last 24 hours, there especially was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the especially whole digital currency market to $1,134,997,981,662. The sort of all-out exchanging volume sort of stands at $40,453,921,837 in a truly significant manner. Bitcoin shares 51.44% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a predominance of 16.33%, or so they sort of thought. Which truly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $29,907.82 level after a vertical development of 0.22% in a huge manner. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum by and large, has seen a cost increment of 1.54%, coming to $1,631.80 during the past 24 hours in a sort of huge manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $214.35, following a value change of 0.53% inside a similar time period, exhibiting that yet prior to plunging commonly profound into the Nexo specialized examination, for the most part let us in every practical sense discuss the extremely current economic situations. XRP, the really local coin of XRP, certainly is up by 0.19. And as of now exchanging at 52 cents, so the truly complete exchanging volume generally remains at $40,453,921,837, which especially is very huge. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in an unpretentious way. These occasions explicitly show that the market especially is going in every practical sense, descending heading for especially present moment, which essentially is very critical. Right now, a kind of broad truly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a quite huge manner. Nexo backing and opposition backing and obstruction most certainly are significant specialized pointers used to truly distinguish fundamentally key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in a kind of huge manner. Support sort of is a level at which purchasers basically become commonly more certainly dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, pretty further appearance, how Nexo essentially acquired roughly 0.82% inside the truly most recent 24 hours, which sort of is genuinely huge. Similarly, obstruction truly is a level at which vendors generally become move in every practical sense, dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing that 22 October 2023. In this video we will in every way that really matters walk you through Nexo cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now and in every way that really matters. Attempt to respond to these habitually gotten clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what is by and large momentary cost expectation for Nexo, especially is Nexo a wise venture, which generally is genuinely huge. Following essentially are the help and opposition levels of Nexo execution. The extremely current Nexo cost really is 56 cents, with an exchanging volume of $1,580,736 in the especially beyond 24 hours. As of now, Nexo is up by 0.82% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $313,617,230 United States dollars, exhibiting how as of now, Nexo fundamentally is up by 0.82% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $313,617,230 United States dollars, or so they by and large thought. Nexo Value Examination. Nexo Cost Examination for 22 October 2023, inside an everyday time span, basically made sense of beneath in an unobtrusive manner. We utilize exceptionally relative strength index RSI, moving normal union and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including certainly straightforward moving truly normal, SMA, and remarkable moving truly normal, EMA, to investigate the future development of the Nexo, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking explicitly. The Nexo especially has in every practical sense, break all its for the most part upholds levels, and things certainly are not looking very really great for the crypto market and in every way that really matters, significant way. At present, sort of bears by and large are in charge of the market and effectively basically take Nexo cost beneath the essential help level of 82 cents, which especially shows that 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo explicitly is floating at $1,580,736. RSI suggesting combination stage while exchanging at 44 and especially is attempting to in a real sense break out of the impartiality zone, which really is very critical. While Nexo's Williams %R marker sort of is at 52.869 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange genuinely signal most certainly is conceivable at this reach, which sort of shows that the in every practical sense, all-out exchanging volume truly remains at $40,453,921,837, which by and large is very huge. The MACD line in every way that really matters is remaining above of the very signal line after a genuinely certain hybrid kind of additional appearance. How XRP, the essentially local coin of XRP, certainly is up by 0.19 and presently exchanging at 52 cents, so the truly complete exchanging volume remains at $40,453,921,837 in an especially significant manner. Nexo financial backers need to essentially sit tight for any directional change over the everyday outline, showing how Nexo backing and obstruction backing and opposition generally are significant specialized pointers used to sort of recognize pretty key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in an unobtrusive way. The Nexo market especially is given indications of being hopeful, and purchasers basically have the truly potential to drive costs of the cryptographic money by and large higher and the fundamentally next in every practical sense, scarcely any days, exhibiting that the MACD line sort of is remaining above of the sign line after a truly certain hybrid. By and large further appearance, how XRP, the local coin of XRP, generally is up by 0.19. And at present exchanging at 52 cents, so the genuinely complete exchanging volume basically remains at $40